Action.
So, well, this is the video demonstration of safety and Earthling Trainer. This video is divided into three sections. First of all, I'll give an introduction of each panels. There are two rows. Some electronic panels are put up in these two rows, and I'll give an introduction of these panels. And secondly, I will be doing experiment. As per this manual, I'll be doing some experiment. The number one experiment is measurement of fault current. Entire block diagram is given here, as well as wiring schedule. My engineers have just wired one simple experiment, that is measurement of fault current. They have done it. I'll be doing that experiment. And the second experiment that I'll be doing is to avoid tripping of all the circuit breakers in an installation. So as per this manual. So one important question that arises is what is safety and earthing trainer. So we have given a very beautiful discussion of fundamentals, earthing system. The main purpose of earthing system is to avoid or minimize the danger of electrocution, fire due to flow of large earth leakage current through undesired path, and to ensure that the potential of a current carrying conductor does not rise than its designed insulation with respect to the earth. So basically there are types of earthing systems. Types of earthing systems we have given. First, character, second, character, and the country where it is used. So we have got TN, number 2 is TT, and the third is IT. TN stands for transformer neutral is earthed. Second character frame is connected to neutral, and the country that is used is Europe. Number 2, TT, transformer neutral is earthed. Second character frame, that is frame is connected to earth. As a frame is connected to earth, and the country that is adopted, that is in India. Number 3 is IT, transformer neutral is again unearthed actually, and second character is frame is connected to earth, and country is for substation, not for customers. For substation only, not for consumers. So well, these are the panels that we have used. This is the EMT1. We have got three-phase supply here. These are the color LEDs which we have used, which shows the presence of three-phase supply. There is a MCB 4 ampere 4-pole 4 ampere MCB we have used. There is a manual start, manual stop button. Inside there is a contactor, and all protections we have used to do this experiment. Once again, I will tell you, these are colorful indicators which shows the presence of three-phase supply. There is an MCB 4-pole 4 ampere MCB, manual start, manual stop button. Number 2 is this three-phase multifunction power cum energy meter panel. All the functions, all the electrical parameters will be seen here. Like you will ask, what are the three-phase supply, three-phase voltages, three-phase currents, power factor. You can check energy, and so many electrical parameters. You have to just touch it, and it will show. For example, if I make it on, and I'll make it on, and I have given the voltage here, so it shows the voltage 247. You'll ask me show me current. I'll press this 2 times, and it will show the current. Similarly, we have got an earth leakage relay. There is a microprocessor based earth leakage relay. So it shows SV, MV. SV stands for set value, MV stands for measured value. Right now they have set, my engineers have set 300 milliampere. It is showing MV is 46 milliampere. The next panel is EMT36-01, earth leakage circuit breaker panel EMT36A. Here we have got MCB 2 ampere and ELCB is 30 or 300 milliampere. Similarly, earth leakage circuit breaker panel EMT36A. Same thing we have used here, protection devices, MCB 2 ampere and earth leakage circuit breaker. And these are the power on indicators you can see. Same again, one more three-phase multifunction power cum energy meter panel we have used. We can measure voltages, current, power, everything just by touching it. Voltage you can see, current you can see, but we have not wired it for this. This panel is not wired. Okay. And the last section that I want to tell you is that is earthing panel, that is EMT82. EMT stands for electrical machine trainer, and these are the common panels that are used in electrical machine training, EMT82. And so many resistors are there, 21 ohm, you can see 200 watt. All the ratings are put up here, and this is the push button panel, fault switch. I have to press it, I have to switch on, I have to press this one to get this trip, to get the CLCB trip. That is one experiment. In this way, I have completed the demonstration. I have completed the entire description of 1 by 1 panels that are used in this trainer. 2 rows. Thank you. second section, safety unearthing trainer. I'm going to do one simple experiment. This is given as per the manual. Tripping a residual current device. Tripping a residual current device. This is the experiment that tripping a residual, and this is the experiment. Measurement of fault current. It comes under that one. There's a third part, measurement of fault current. So the wiring sequence is provided here. I have done all the wiring sequence. It is kept ready. You will ask me where is 415 volts. So basically this is the 415 volts. It's come from here. So that is the thing. So that from there it is carried to this EMT1 panel. It shows the EMT1 panel. The second one is transformer. We have used a transformer, that is isolation transformer, 230 volt, 3 ampere, EMT18B. The next comes is EMT34-1. So there are two EMT34s are used. EMT34 means it is a multifunction power cum energy meter panel, 1 and 2. We have named it as 1 and here it is named it as 2. Next is EMT50, EMT50. So EMT50 is this one. This is the microcontroller based earth leakage relay. The next is ELCB 300 milliampere, ELCB 300 milliampere, and here it is ELCB 30 milliampere. This one is 30 milliampere. So two ELCBs, and in this way, this is the wiring schedule. And here they have given a simple procedure at the back side. Make the wiring sequence as per wiring schedule. Now set relay setting as SV is equal to 0.3 ampere. My engineers have done this one. It's a very simple. Press mode set for, so all these things are there. Switch on MCB and press start push button. So this MCB is off. I'll make it on. I'll make it on like this and press start push button on EMT1 panel. I'll make it on. So this is the EMT1 panel. I'll make it on like this. So there will be indicators on this two. Earth leakage circuit breaker panel 1 and earth leakage circuit breaker panel 2. So there will be power indicator. Now they have written last line, 5th. Now press fault push button on EMT29A. So basically this is EMT29A. I'll have to press it till here. A fault current will have. I'll make this one to current. This is the voltage. Voltage is completed. I'll make it to current. We'll check the current also. Now right now it is 0.049 ampere. 0.04, that is milliampere. I'll press it. Please see fault switch push button. I'll have to press it for a few seconds. I have started pressing it. The current has increased to 0.398. Immediately it has stripped. It has stripped at 402 milliampere. So the conclusion is that in the above experiment, fault current is monitored. This is the conclusion of this simple experiment, that is measurement of fault current. Safety unearthing trainer, this is the third section. I'm going to do the second experiment, that is stripping a residual current device with one ELR and two ELCBs. With one ELR and two ELCBs. So this is the block diagram again. I have already mentioned in my second part the entire description of this, and we have got a wiring schedule. And here we have got a very beautiful way, the procedure. Make the wiring schedule. Number 2 is here we will use one earth leakage relay and two ELCBs, 30 milliampere and 300 milliampere. So basically this is your 30 milliampere and the other is 300 milliampere, correct? These are two ELCBs, 1 and 2. Now set relay setting as SV is equal to 0.3 ampere, so that we have already done here, and the time that we have taken is 250 millisecond. 250 millisecond the time, and all these things. Switch on MCB and press start push button. I'll press this one. Switch on MCB, correct, and press start push button on EMT1 panel. So this was like this. I'll make it on. I'll press it. Number 5 is switch on MCB on EMT36A1 and 36A2 panel. So that is also made on 36.1 and 36.2. All the MCBs are kept on. And finally the 6th is now press fault push button on EMT29A. So this is the EMT29A. I'll have to press this push button. EMT50 and EMT50 and EMT36.1 does not trip. It will not trip. These two panels will not trip. This is due only EMT32 trips only. One observes that EMT36-2 trips only. This one only will trip. I'll make it on as per this one. Switch on. There's this one, and everything is on. Now I'll press this one. The current is right now 0.049, and only this one will trip. See, I'll press it. यहाँ पे दिखाओ sir. This one only has tripped, this is not tripped, and here also no tripping, nothing. So in this way, the conclusion is, in the above experiment, time and current discrimination between two ELCBs are observed and studied. So in this way, I have completed tripping a residual current device with one ELR and two ELCBs. The two ELCBs are here.